Do you want an exercise that is going to help you build your hip flexor strength and your gluteal strength and your hip stability all at the same time so you can stand better, walk better, and exercise better? Well, I got that exercise that I love for you right now. What's up, YouTube MS Gym family? My name is Trevor Wicken, and I am the founder and creator of the MS Gym, the largest platform for movement, mindset, and education for people affected by MS and other neurologic conditions. So we release videos on this channel quite often, so make sure that you watch this video, you like this video, and then you go and subscribe to this channel so you don't miss out on all the awesome content that we're going to be putting out that's going to help you counteract your symptoms and live a life by design and not by diagnosis. With that, I encourage you to watch till the very end of this video because I always have some special offer for you that will give you an opportunity to come train with us inside the MS Gym. What up, gymmers? All right, y'all, we're going to work on another hip flexor drill called side hip arcs, all right? So this is a really good drill to work on flexion and extension of our hips in a way that is very supported and safe for the body. So what you're going to do here is you're going to start off in this position with this leg forward, kind of like you're sleeping. You're going to take a big breath in. Then you're going to use your glutes to push your leg back over the other leg till that foot touches the ground. If you want to be a little bit more advanced as you breathe in, then you can actually lift that whole leg up and over and create a bigger arc. But that's more advanced. If you're struggling with lifting your leg or moving your hip, it's just a slide back over that leg, okay? So that's with an inhale. Now on the way forward, we're going to exhale. We're going to go pull in our abs, tip our pelvis back a little bit, and we're going to pull that knee back over to the front till it touches the floor. Again, a more advanced move is up and over and touch the floor. That's going to give you more articulation in that hip, okay? So we're going to coordinate the breath with with extension and flexion. So head support your hand. Get your knee forward to start. So we would have just exhaled. So we're going to inhale, hold those abs in, pull back from your glutes. Okay, ready? Inhale and pull back. Pause. Now exhale, pull those abs in and come forward. Knee comes forward. Inhale, leg goes back. Exhale, leg comes forward or knee comes forward. Inhale, thigh goes back. Exhale, thigh comes forward. Inhale, knee goes back. Or thigh goes back, either way. Exhale, thigh comes forward. Inhale, thigh goes back. Exhale, thigh comes forward. Inhale, thigh goes back. Exhale, thigh goes forward. Inhale, thigh goes back. Exhale, thigh goes forward. Inhale, thigh goes back. Exhale, thigh goes forward. Let's go one more. Inhale, thigh goes back. Exhale, thigh goes forward. Excellent. All right, let's switch sides. So you can just roll over and listen to me, or you can flip sides and look at me. Whatever you want. Same jam. Okay, so bottom leg flat. Move your microphone. Okay, so start with that leg here. Inhale, going back. Okay, ready? And inhale, thigh goes back. Exhale, thigh goes forward. 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 2 more. Inhale, thigh goes back. Exhale, thigh goes forward. Inhale, thigh goes back. Exhale, thigh goes forward. Good job, guys. Cool. So you should feel pretty warm up in your low back, your hip joints, all that kind of fun stuff. We're working a lot on flexion, a lot on extension. We actually get external and internal rotation of the hip, and we get some rotation through our spine. So this is an amazing exercise. Practice it often. Smile lots. All right, gymmers. So I know this is probably a new exercise for you, but I love the hip arcs. I do them a lot before I do any of my lower body training or before I swim because it really gets that hip joint activated, those joint receptors activated, the hip flexor activated, the abductors, the adductors, the glutes, and it really just gets your brain connected into your hips to help you move better. So in part 1, we talked about how hip bridges are going to help you with that hip extension. This exercise is really going to help you with that hip flexion, extension, abduction, adduction, basically the 4 dimensions of the hip. So practice this often, practice this well, and I promise it will help you feel a ton better. Now, again, these are small snippets of exercises, and if you want more exercises just like this, click the link below in the text section and go to those links, check out those exercises, and see what's going to be the best for you. Now in part 3, we're going to do an awesome exercise that's really going to hit what's called your intrinsic kinetic chain, which is going to help improve your hip flexor strength, your breath strength, your core strength, your abdominal strength, your spinal strength, and really strengthen the driver or the engine or the motor that allows your body to move the way that you want it to. So I'll see you in part 3.